Hi, my name is Chase Graves, and I'm a freshman at San Jose State University. Computers have had a major impact in my life, and in more recent years, my knowledge of computers has drastically enhanced. There are so many things I do for computers that I would like to show you a glimpse of my knowledge and technological accomplishments. The first thing I would like to share is my system itself. I turned a stock Dell computer into a gaming animal. I installed a stronger power supply with an EVGA NX650G power supply. This allowed my computer to work at up to 650 wattage in power. The next thing I did is install a graphics card with a GTX 970 Mini which fit my case perfectly. I also installed a stronger cooler to keep up with all that's going on in the rig. Then I placed 8 gigs of RAM extra and added up to a total of 16 gigs of RAM. Then I decided I would want to add an SSD and a new disk drive to make my computer as fast as possible. Currently, I have 500 gigabytes of hard disk drive and 128 gigs of a solid state drive to run my programs faster. Finally, I placed a new motherboard made specifically for gaming, which allows better functionality for the rig altogether. The build process took place over the course of 5 hours after reading up on many tutorials. After everything was set and complete, I decided to stream my work across the internet on a website called Twitch TV. This broadcasting channel lets you broadcast gaming to others across the world for them to enjoy as a community. I started streaming back in late 2015 and built a viewer base. I use multiple monitors to micromanage the Twitch chat room and streaming operations while my main monitor focused on gaming. I also use an Elgato HD60 to transfer the gaming footage from my PS4 and Xbox to PC. However, I do not need this for broadcasting computer games. While I have discontinued streaming indefinitely, I streamed for about 2 months consecutively for 4 hours a day, 3 days a week. While I like playing games on my PlayStation 4 and Xbox One, they never really can compete with gaming on a PC. PC gaming allows you to really expand your horizons and play the best possible quality designed for you. On console gaming, you're limited to hardware designed for cheap usage and works at fixed rates so that it can support the needs of average gamers. The problem with this is that you cannot expand your horizons and you're limited to commonly what is known as 1080p quality graphics and up to 30 to 60 FPS depending on the game you're playing. Also, depending on your console, there are many exclusive games that are not made for the competitor console. While this does affect PC as well, it is not nearly as drastic as it affects consoles. My PC benchmarks games way higher than the consoles I currently have. For an example, the game Fallout 4 on my PC benches at an average of 95 frames per second, while on console it averages only 30 frames per second. The same goes with Grand Theft Auto 5, which averages 88 frames on my PC while struggles for 30 on my console. Thank you for listening to my computer experience. It is a great passion for me and I plan to pursue a career in computer engineering in the future.